Hey, welcome back to DIY Willy. Yeah, we're working on the Mega Moto Minibike. Let's show you what we're doing. It's getting late, and I'm gonna have to stop pretty soon. But I've been working all day out here. I've got the bike all broke down, as you can see, down to the bare frame and the forks. Yeah, I started welding in the frame extensions. I needed to get those welded in so I could start working on the brake bracket. Yeah, a little touch up with the magic grinder, and those will look great. They'll look really good. Good penetration, a lot of weld. Yeah, it checks out pretty good. I put the level on it. Well, it's not level anymore because I've got it I don't have it strapped down anymore. Before I had it strapped down, and I was able to control the level with these little wedges, wood wedges and stuff, and get it right level with everything, and the axle level with the engine plate, and kind of bolt it together. Put a brace back here to keep it from warping in, pulling in from the heat, and yeah, I think it's gonna work out really nice. So we got some things going on here. We're gonna try a different engine up there on this bike. So the type of engine that really came with this bike, we're gonna give it a try, play around with it for a little while. But we got the frame extensions done and welded in. Now I gotta work on the bracket to hold the caliper, because it's got to be slotted, remember? So yeah, so just a little something going on. Just a quick video of what I've been doing today, and what's going on with the mini bike, the Mega Moto mini bike. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and always come back to DIY Willy for your mini bike needs. And I'll see you next time. Bye.